How to cancel an Uber Eats order after placing it. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can cancel your Uber Eats order if you change your mind. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up Uber Eats application or go to ubereats.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you have to head over to your order section. For that, click on this three line icon at the top left and head over to your orders. Once you're under your order tab, if you have made an order, you have to select the order that you want to cancel. Once you select your order, look for the option as Cancel Order button. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions and confirmation. Uber Eats will show if you're eligible for a refund or not. So here you have to note that you could only cancel for a full refund before the restaurant accepts or start preparing your food. After that, cancellation may have a fee or no refund policy. So you have to keep that on your mind. If you are eligible for the cancellation process, and then only your order will be cancelled. If not, you may have to pay a certain amount of fee for, or you will not get any refund. So that's the way to cancel an Uber Eats order, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.